Did you know there is a dentist specialist who focuses on missing teeth, crowns, dentures, implants, and smile restoration? Hi, I'm Dr. Shivani Nayak. I'm a prosthodontist and I'm owner at Dr. Nayak's multi-speciality dental clinic in Belagavi, Karnataka. I specialize in replacing missing teeth and restoring smiles, from single crowns to full mouth rehabilitation. So who's a prosthodontist? If simply put, a prosthodontist is a dentist who focuses on bringing back teeth that are lost and making them look natural, comfortable and long-lasting. On this channel, I will be sharing simple, honest and practical information about dentistry, so you can make better decisions about your oral health. So whether you are confused about dentures, implants or any dental restoration, this channel is for you. If you are interested in learning more about dentistry in a simple way, subscribe and stay connected. I chose Prosthodontics because restoring a patient's smile also restores their confidence. So if you have lost a tooth or are unsure about any dental treatment options, this is the right place. Get the right information first and always consult a prosthodontist before making any decision. Thank you for being here and I look forward to sharing more dental knowledge with you. Comment down below if you have any other dental question and I'll be happy to help in my next video. Learn first, decide wisely and take care of your smile. Thank you. See you again.